Message.
You lead off with a message today. A lot of people, they doubt the process, they don't trust the process, and they don't follow the process. The process get you where you need to go. The process get you the results. The process yield the profits. It's a byproduct of the hard work. That's what profits are, a byproduct, right? When we hit these charts day after day, week after week, month after month, the due diligence that we put in on days like this, like Wednesdays, Sundays, Tuesday nights, and we roll into the market the next day, it's on full display with our P&L, right? Our win and loss percentages is on display with the due diligence and hard work that we put in each and every day, each and every week, each and every month. If you do not kill the ego when it comes to your trading, you would not be successful. You must get rid of the ego at all costs because it leads to your downfall by not accepting your flaws in the market. It could be you trading too much. It could be you in post trading. You're not waiting for the proper setup. You're not waiting for the signal days. You're not waiting for the peak moments in price. It's a lot of things that can go wrong, right, in a trading day. Like today, we got CL up first because it did some trickery. I was legit waiting on this move. This the move I was trying to target today. But what happened is a simple thing. I was trading in front of the news. This the move I was waiting for since Sunday when the market opened up over here, right? When the market opened up right over here with this huge gap that it said, hey, come get me, right? That's a $2.57 gap on CL. You know the ticks, you know. This is what I was waiting for. But what happened, I was trading in front of the news. I should have waited for the news drop and then came into the market to look for my trade. Uh, I still got out unscathed. Luckily, I used some good risk management skills. I wasn't gonna, fall asleep on my trade. I was watching it like a hawk. I wanted to get a little legs on before I walked away from the market. And when I seen things go wrong, I didn't go with it. I simply exit stage left. I closed that position out, took a small little win. I had two ticks locked in. I took that and I got the heck out the way. My interface was tripping, but hey, I had a backup plan. I went over to my broker, got out the trade, right? But the key is I missed this move here because I was impatient thinking they was going to leave me over here, right? I missed all of this because I did not want to wait for this. I didn't want to wait for this to be done, and I didn't want to wait for the news to get completed, whatever they was going to do with the news, and let me get in. It is. In this area, I'm going to get into the chart, but patience, not trading in front of the news, waiting for the proper setup. Even if you are patient, do not let your patience break down. Stay with the move. Let the market do what it's going to do. Let it trap the impulse traders and get in there and take advantage. Take advantage. Okay. So let's walk this down. Let's clean this up.